Okay, another small harvest of cucumbers and habanero peppers today from Big Mama's garden. Looking good. Yes, looking good. In September, we still have some cucumbers growing. Looking good. Look at you, looking good. Big and beautiful. All these blooms still growing here. They're going on up there at the high, getting high up there at the top there. Still growing. Look at you, I didn't see you back there. Okay, cucumber. They're growing all on the back of this hoop house here. Look at you. A lot of blooms. Okay. We're ready to harvest some more cucumbers soon. Look at here, finding more cucumbers. Okay, cucumbers. Y'all looking good. Look at that cucumber there. Okay, cucumber. One right there. They hiding all behind the leaves. Look at that one there. Okay, got some more cucumbers coming. All right. Okay, cucumber. I see you. Look at all of these blooms growing high up here in the hoop house, the top of the hoop house. I saw one more. Where did I see you at? I lost you. I lost you. Where you hiding at? Oh, there you are. That's a funny looking one. He kind of round. Okay, cucumbers. Y'all all looking good. More blooms on here. More cucumbers to come.